Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of One to Step, and in this video I am going to show you how to find community in Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to find the community, just simply open your Pinterest application at first and then search for the community that you would like to join. And then after searching community, just simply tap into this filter option and then from here choose the board option and click to view results. Now you will get to see this type of posts into here. Now you just simply have to tap into any of those, and as you can see here is a community made by Jadranka Gospek. You just simply have to select this collaboration community, and if you see this collaborations is open for any collaborators, then you just simply have to tap into this option at the bottom. But if it's not open for everyone, you just simply have to find the owner of the board and message him to add you into the community. This way you can easily find Pinterest community into Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.